Panhandle, Fresno, Florida SunCoast chapter. Well, here we are, January 17th, and we're out at the big birthday 50th year kickoff for us at the birthday bash. And a bunch of our friends out, about 60 folks out today for a car show, for some games, for live, for some music, some steaks on the grill, and we're just going to have a blast time. We'll sort of show you the location where we are, and just an amazing day as far as weather-wise. 50 years. I just looked at our calendar this morning. We've already accomplished 10 events as of the 17th of January. We've already got 40 events out on the calendar. And I just want to tell you, I'm going to miss a lot of the events that are out there, but just some of the big stuff that's already out there. We have the Revs Tour again coming up. The Invasion is coming up. The track days are coming up. Mountain Drive 5.0. B.I.G is coming up. The cruise is coming up. We have nutrition lunch and learns coming up. We have mystery drives with lunch. We have the north-south drive up in the Panhandle. We have Dr. Color Chip. Yeah, we're going to West Palm Beach to get our cars all tuned up for showtime. It's just a lot on the calendar. We accomplished over 200 events last year, and that's what our track record has been every year. So come on out and join us. Wish you were here today. Lovely weather. You're missing a great thing. This will be an annual event, it looks like. So come join us. And until then, as we always say, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Bye.